Malcolm Knowles didn't just study adult education, he redefined it. His work laid the foundation for how we understand and support adult learners today. If you're in the world of adult education, you've heard his name. But what exactly is the Knowles model? Let's break it down. In the 1970s, Knowles introduced a revolutionary idea that adults learn differently than children. This wasn't just a hunch, it was a researched, structured theory. He called it andragogy, and it changed everything. Knowles proposed 6 core assumptions about adult learners. 1. Adults need to know why they're learning something before they commit to learning it. 2. They have a deep reservoir of experience that serves as a rich resource for learning. 3. They are self-directed and want to take ownership of their learning. 4. They're ready to learn things that relate directly to their roles in life: work, family, community. 5. They're problem-centered, not subject-centered. They learn to solve real-world challenges. And 6. They are internally motivated. Recognition, fulfillment, and personal growth drive their engagement. These weren't just nice ideas. They became guiding principles for how adult education programs are built. Instead of lectures and memorization, adult learning began to center around discussion, collaboration, application, and relevance. Instead of treating learners as empty vessels, educators began honoring them as partners, bringing real value to the table. Knowles also emphasized the role of the educator, not as a commander of knowledge, but as a facilitator. This shift in mindset opened the door to learner-driven environments where people could explore, experiment, and personalize their journey. His influence can be seen today in online courses, corporate training, community learning, and even how governments design upskilling initiatives. The Knowles model reminds us that great education doesn't start with content. It starts with respect for the learner. So when you build a course, lead a session, or mentor a colleague, remember Knowles. Use his model not as a formula, but as a compass. Because when adult learners are understood, empowered, and respected, they don't just absorb information. They transform. And that's the real power of adult education.